Happy Saturday! We just got back from our fruit stands, so let's see what we got. I got our 2 cartons of blueberries and blackberries. Got our tomatoes and our pear tomatoes. We always get those. We like to snack on those. I got some zucchini so I can make some sausage veggie bowls for lunches this week, along with some red potatoes and the green beans. I'm going to mix all those together for the veggie bowls. I got some white nectarines. Those are my favorite. My husband and boys are out of strawberries. He likes to have those in his oatmeal in the mornings. I got 1 cantaloupe from one fruit stand, and then from the other fruit stand I got another one. These ones were much larger, so I thought we would see if it's any sweeter. And they're not cold and wet. The other fruit stand keeps theirs in the refrigerator or something because they're always cold when we pick them up. So from the other fruit stand, I got their grapes. These are really big grapes. Got pears. I got a couple bell peppers to slice up for snacks. I got 2 English cucumbers. Last week they didn't have any pumpkin seeds. My husband really loves these, so we went ahead and got 2 of them this week. These dried strawberries are so good. We've been eating these like crazy, so I got another one. Owen's been wanting the dried mangoes. There we go. But I couldn't find them last week, but I found them this week. And they had some local fudge. So this is the Reese's peanut butter fudge that we are going to give a try. I'm sure it's going to taste wonderful. Update on our cantaloupe seeds. They are still sprouting. They're getting a little bit taller. We have not planted them yet. It's been very smoky outside, and everything's covered in ash outside, so we just did not want to plant them outside yet. Here is our lettuce. That one grew really tall, but they are all covered in ash, so I think at this point we're just pretty much feeding the birds and the lizards with the lettuce. So this weekend's project for my husband is changing out the dishwasher. We ordered one a couple days ago and picked it up. So that's what he will be doing today. And so here is my new dishwasher, still in the box. It's been sitting in the garage since Monday or Tuesday, I don't remember. But now my husband has time to put it in, so that's what he is going to do today. And Owen got a new bike. I put my dishwasher in, and he finally got that in after a couple of trips to the hardware store. Got 2 more of my breakfast burritos because they were still on sale, so I went ahead and bought 2 more of those. I got a packet of Italian dressing mix for our Italian chicken this week, and I got 2 more mesquite grill mates. I got a petite diced tomato and a tomato sauce to make spaghetti this week. These Just Crackin' Eggs were still on sale. Owen liked them, Keegan not so much, so I got 2 more for Owen. I got a tub of Parmesan cheese. I got angel hair pasta for our spaghetti. And then Keegan wants to make lasagna for dinner this week, so I got some of those noodles. We're running low on our mayo, and I like the, well, we all like the olive oil one. I got a big tub of cottage cheese. The lasagna recipe that I have uses the cottage cheese. Keegan wanted some more apple juice, so I got him a bottle of that. I got 2 of these Johnsonville 3-cheese Italian-style chicken sausage. We really like these. I like to make our veggie and sausage bowls with these, so I got 2, one to put in the freezer and one to make for lunches to for this week, some for my husband to take to work, and then some for us to eat at home. I like to put turkey sausage in our spaghetti, and I like the Hillshire Farms brand. I got 3 cans of green beans because they are on sale, and buy 3 you get them for a cheaper price at my grocery store. So 2 will go in my Italian chicken this week, and then just 1 for the cabinet. Their refried beans were on sale for $5 for $5, I think it was. I ordered 5, but they only had 2, so that's what I got. I got 2 cans of chopped olives. One is for our spaghetti, and the other one I can't remember what it was for. I got another box of pancakes for the boys for breakfast in the morning, and some garlic sticks to go with our lasagna. Their spaghetti sauce was on sale, or pasta sauce, whatever you want to call it, was on sale. These were 2 for $4, and I like the Classico brand, so I got 2 for our lasagna this week. I also ordered 2 of the Alfredo ones, but they were out of those. After weeks of not having these Jimmy Dean turkey sausages, they finally had them. I was surprised. This is the brand I always buy, so I'm happy that they had those. I got some Mexican style blend shredded cheese to go on one of our tacos this week. And I needed some mozzarella for our lasagna. I got the big bag because it was actually cheaper this week than the smaller bag. Keegan also requested some pizza rolls, so I got them a big bag of those for lunches this week. For my produce, I got our 2 bags of shredded lettuce and some bananas. We've been going through bananas like crazy lately. My husband takes one to work, and then we like to make smoothies with them. And the baby turtle eats a little bit as a treat. I ordered my 3-pound bag of salad, but they're out of that. Their Doritos were on sale this week. 2 for something, I can't remember, 2 for $4, I think. We like to use these for taco salads, so I got 2, and then 1 bag of regular Lay's. I got another carton of eggs. And then, of course, our hazelnut coffee creamer. Can't have a shopping trip without that. Their mini Pepsis were still on sale, so I got 2 more, and we'll just stick them in the fridge for later. So I didn't get any chicken this week because I have plenty in the freezer. I did, however, order 2 packs of ground turkey meat, but they were out of those, so I did not get those. So, in just the little bit that I got, right here I spent $130. Doesn't seem like I got very much. But anyway, this is our groceries for this week. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing if you like weekly grocery hauls and what's for dinner videos.